Good morning, dear students. Class 3rd, Subject Reasoning, Chapter Basic Reasoning Analogy. Lecture 1. Today we'll learn about the topic of analogy. Let's start now. First, we will know what is analogy. So, students, analogy, a comparison between two things that shows a way in which they are similar. Similarity, as in first two words, the same similarity will be seen in the following two words. Our first question is, milk is related to curd. So water is related. Option 1, option A, river. Option B, thirst. Option C, ice. And option D, vapor. So our correct option is C, ice. Water is related to ice. Question second is, girl is beautiful. So gold is option A, valuable. Option B, bright. Option C, ornament. And option D is ring. Our correct option is B, bright. Gold is bright. Classwork. Now we do classwork. Today we will know 5 questions in class. Question 1, kilogram. Kilogram is related to weight. So meter is related. Option A, journey. Option B, road. Option C, cloth. And option D, length. Our correct option is option D, length. Meter is related to length. Question second is, advocate is related to law. So cook is related. Option A, cookery. Option B, kitchen. Option C, food. Option D, disease. So our correct option is option A, cookery. Cook is related to cookery. Our third question is, wardrobe is related to clothes. So purse is related. Option A, pocket. Option B, gin. Option C, money. And option D is fair. Our correct option is option C, money. Purse is related to money. Question 4 is, grass is green. So sky is option A, endless. Option B, stars. Option C, blue. And option D is bright. Our correct option is option C, sky is blue. Blue is correct option. Question 5 is, Monday is related to week. Monday is a day. Monday is related to week. So January is related. Option A, winter. Option B, month. Option C, year. And option D, season. Our correct option is option C, year. January is related to year. Homework. Students, today is your homework. Question 1, beautiful is related to ugly. So healthy is related. Option A, sick. Option B, weak. Option C, strong. And option D, fat. Second question is, tea is related to milk. So sugar is related. Option A, molasses. Option B, palm. Option C, sugar cane. And option D, syrup. Question third is, desert is related to sand. So C is related. Option A, water. Option B, tide. Option C, fish. And option D, crocodile. Question 4 is, daughter is related to mother. So son is related. Option A, mother. Option B, sister. Option C, father. And option D, brother. Question 5 is, Book is related to paper, so table is related. Option A, school. Option B, wood. Option C, student. And option D, chair.